really I need to do as much as I can today, because tomorrow is when it's getting picked up rather than today. And now's the time I decide I want to take these. So yeah, running a bit against the clock, because I need to get back home. I've already spent one night in a hotel here. By God, I don't want to do it again. Once I finish with this side, I'll start on the backboard. I think just what I'm filming for now, just want to show you the boats. So yeah, this is boat number 14. So yeah, there's not really much left of it. I managed to take out the rear bumpers, which are the holes just right here for the rear bumpers. They were the biggest bastard to get off. The biggest. That's all the crap that was stuck inside the bumper as well. This isn't mine. Look, this. Yeah, he's getting held on by two steel wires just in there. Look at the cracks in here. Christ. Not really much in here at all. You got a horn from whatever that is. Got the front mounts. I've already got one of these. I'm all good. You got two boats over there. Number 25, that is over there, and that's been sold. That looks in really good condition. Issue with that, missing the rear seat. It's full of shields, and it's got one truck on. It's just missing the rear seat. A few bits and bobs, the safety sign. Got the manufacturer plate at the bottom. Just right there in the bottom corner. That's a manufacturer plate. Had a few washers in there. So yeah, number 14 is mine. This one is mine as well, which is number 1. And then you got this one, the main one, number 15. I've got everything ready for it. I've got 2 spare dragon heads, got 2 guide wheels, got 2 lift hill or station planks. I've got 3 separate brake bumpers, rear bumpers, which you have to individually put on. You got a back decoration, which slots in just between here. I've got a backboard, so a back seat, and I've got myself 7 shields. 6 are going to be used from the front, middle, and second to rear. So it's just going to be 1, 2, and 3. I'm not going to bother with the rear. I'm not going to bother with that. So yeah, it's manufacturer plate just over there, number 15. So from there, that's it. Then you got some other boats people have bought. They've got themselves a back decoration. We also got the back of the boat. See how large this is. That's what it looks like. And just some absolute manky bolts in there. Oh, gross. And then you got this body shell just right here. It's got absolute nothing in. It's just a literal body shell. You could even turn this into a bed or a swimming pool. So yeah, that's it.